Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover call history or call log history in your phone. You can see this is my call history or call log history. So if I delete now, how can I recover it? Suppose I'm going to delete this history. You can see going to delete it. Right now it's deleted, there is no history. Now how can I recover it? If you want to recover, first of all go to Chrome browser. And you have to download an application. So I am going to new tab. Search here, an application name is Call Log Monitor. Just click on it. So in the first one, Call Log Monitor APK. So just click on download APK. So I download this application. You will find such kind of application. You can see, just I'm going to click on it. Then you can see that number which I deleted. So you can also recover just using this application. I hope you can feel better. So if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe.